Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you create events on your Nextdoor app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go up here, you click here in this sign or this picture here in app. So then it's going to take us here in this list, and all you have to do now, so you just go down, so you click here on view profile here, and it's going to take us here in this list, and all you have to do now, so you just come here to events here. So then it's going to take us here in this list, and you go up, you click here on create, then it's going to show for your list like this, and here can you create your events here. So here you add your cover photo here, and here you add start and ended here, and here location, and add video call link. So here add your information, then you click here in up and down, then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like